In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect Wix to Mailchimp step by step. This is perfect if you want to collect email subscribers from your Wix website and automatically send them into your Mailchimp audience for email marketing, newsletters, or automations. The process is straightforward, and you don't need any coding experience at all. If you run an online store, a blog, or a business website on Wix, this integration can save you a lot of time and help you grow your email list faster. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Log in using the account that you want to connect to your Wix website. Once you're inside your Mailchimp dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Mailchimp accounts for different projects or clients. From the Mailchimp dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Integrations. This is where Mailchimp manages all connections with external platforms like websites, e-commerce tools, and other apps. Clicking on Integrations will open a page that shows you the different services you can connect with Mailchimp. Next, find and click on the option that says Manage. This will take you to the Connected Sites and Integrations Management area. Here, you'll see a list of platforms that Mailchimp supports, along with any integrations you may already have active. Scroll through the list until you find Wix. Once you see Wix in the integrations list, click on it. This opens the Wix integration page, where Mailchimp explains what data can be shared between Wix and Mailchimp, such as contacts, forms, and e-commerce activity if applicable. Now click on the Connect button. Mailchimp will begin the connection process and redirect you to Wix. At this point, you'll be asked to log into your Wix account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you choose the correct Wix account and website that you want to connect to Mailchimp. Wix will then ask you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection so Mailchimp can access your Wix site data. Once the connection is approved, Mailchimp and Wix will sync automatically. This means new subscribers from your Wix forms can be sent directly to your Mailchimp audience, depending on your settings. After the connection is complete, it's a good idea to double-check your Mailchimp audience settings. Make sure new contacts are going into the correct audience and that your sign-up forms and tags are configured the way you want. You can also test the integration by submitting a test email through a Wix form and confirming it appears in Mailchimp. And that's it. You've successfully connected Wix to Mailchimp. This integration makes email marketing much easier and helps ensure you never miss a potential subscriber from your website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.